Okay, students, after you watch the video, The 3 Sounds of S, you will be able to do page 23 with me. You need to listen to me read the word, number 1, washes, and you need to think, am I saying s, z, or ez? You write S for the s sound, Z, Z for the Z sound, and IZ for the ez sound. So number 1, washes. Which one is it? It is this one, IZ, washes. Number 2, paints, paints. Sounds like an S. Paints. Rakes, rakes. Sounds like an S. Trims, trims. Students, what sound does trims make? Sounds like a Z. Trims. Plants, plants. Sounds like an S. Okay, students, for the rest of these, you need to listen and write. IZ, ez. S for S, and Z for Z. These are the sounds of the S at the end of the word. Remember, sometimes they have different sounds. You need to look at the letters before the S and listen to see. Number 6, feeds, feeds. Number 7, gardens, gardens. 8, picks, picks. 9, fertilizes, fertilizes. 10, builds, builds. 11, plays, plays. 12, barbecues, barbecues. 13, walks, walks. 14, drives, drives. 15, rides, rides. 16, mows, mows. 17, cleans, cleans. 18, waters, waters. 19, pulls out, pulls out. 20, digs, digs. 21, cuts, cuts. 22, composts, composts. 23, sprays, sprays. 24, hatches, hatches. 25, watches, watches. 26, jogs, jogs. 27, picnics, picnics. 28, takes, takes. 29, flies, flies. 30, has, has. Okay, students, please take a picture of this page and send it to me.